Let's now shift our focus to the COVID-19 situation in India, which continues to battle the devastating second wave of the coronavirus. In the last 24 hours, India recorded more than 311,000 new cases. The numbers on your screens now show India's daily surge in infections over the last week. This is perhaps the lowest caseload in a fortnight, while the numbers have dropped over the last week and the positivity rate has indicated a discernible drop in the infection rate. However, the situation still remains grim as the virus continues to rip through rural India. India has reported more than 4,000 COVID-related deaths in the last 24-hour period, pushing the national death toll to well above 270,200. Also at the press conference was AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria. He addressed the recent surge in black fungus infections across India. Guleria flagged the misuse of steroids as a major cause of this infection, and he urged physicians across the country to be more careful while using these drugs. Remember, black fungus infections have been reported in hospitals across India. They are common in immunocompromised patients, and the second wave has seen a rise in these infections in COVID-19 survivors.
Misuse of steroids. Steroids जो पेशेंट्स ले रहे हैं, जिनको डायबिटीज़ हैं और साथ में कोविड है, अगर ये तीनों चीज़ें इकट्ठी मिल जाएं तो वो चांसेस ऑफ फंगल इन्फेक्शन एकदम बढ़ जाते हैं। इसलिए इसको रोकने के लिए सबसे पहले तो मिसयूज ऑफ स्टीरॉयड जो है वो हमें कम करना पड़ेगा, और जैसे जिसके कारण नाक में, आंख की जो ऑर्बिट है उसमें या ब्रेन के अंदर इन्फेक्शन फैल सकता है, जिससे लोगों की विजन भी जा सकती है, आंख की रोशनी जा सकती है और कुछ हद तक कभी ब्रेन में भी इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है। तो इसलिए नई बीमारी नहीं है, लेकिन कोविड के कारण और कोविड की ट्रीटमेंट के कारण इसके केसेस अब काफ़ी ज़्यादा देखने में आ रहे हैं। कई क्षेत्रों में काफ़ी अधिक मात्रा में केसेस रिपोर्ट किए जा रहे हैं। अगर हम एम्स की ही बात करें तो हमारे यहाँ ऑलमोस्ट 23 केसेस हैं जो भी एडमिटेड हैं, जिनको ये फंगल इन्फेक्शन है कोविड के।
On the vaccine front, the second consignment of Russia's Sputnik vaccine has reached India. Nikolay Kudashev, Russian ambassador to India, shared the picture of the second consignment on Twitter. Russia had earlier dispatched 150,000 doses of the Sputnik V vaccine that arrived in India on 1st of May. Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has written to the centre for supply of around 67 lakh doses of the vaccine, and this has been done to increase the pace of vaccination in the capital. The lockdown has been extended in Delhi even as it reported the lowest daily case load in nearly a month, with close to 6,500 cases. Saturday was the second consecutive day when Delhi recorded fewer than 10,000 cases in recent weeks. While the state of Maharashtra has been witnessing a drop in COVID infections, the state witnessed 960 deaths in the last 24 hours. Mumbai, which has been praised for its handling of the crisis and bringing numbers down in the last 2 weeks, reported 1,447 cases. WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.